The Poh Interactive Calculator solves acid-base chemistry problems by converting between POH, pH, hydroxide concentration, and hydrogen ion concentration. The calculation mode dropdown lets you choose from 6 options. Calculate POH from hydroxide concentration. Calculate POH from pH. Calculate hydroxide from POH. Calculate POH from hydrogen concentration. Calculate hydrogen from POH, or calculate POH from pH and kW. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate POH from hydroxide concentration. The input fields include hydroxide concentration in molar, pH value, POH value, hydrogen concentration in molar, kW ionic product with a default of 1E14, and temperature in Celsius defaulting to 25. Let me show you a worked example. I'll enter 10 molar for hydroxide concentration, keeping the default kW at 1E14 and temperature at 25 degrees. After clicking Calculate, the results show POH equals -1000, confirming our hydroxide concentration at 1000 E plus 1 molar. The pH calculates to 15,000, hydrogen concentration is 1000 E to 15 molar, and the solution type identifies as basic alkaline. These extreme values demonstrate how the calculator handles highly concentrated solutions beyond typical laboratory ranges. This tool streamlines complex logarithmic calculations for engineers working with industrial processes. Find the link in the description below.